This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, June 25th. I'm James Spann. In coming days, heat levels go down, rain chances go up. Check it out today. Still got the heat ridge all across the southern U.S. And as you might expect on a summer afternoon, we have these scattered showers and storms in progress across north and central Alabama, drifting today slowly to the southwest. And the usual situation, a lot of lightning, brief heavy rain, gusty winds. Those should die down later this evening. Not as hot today in most places. Birmingham 93, but Huntsville's on up there. They've got 97, but a good chance we will not get out of the 80s tomorrow. And a certainty, in fact, on Saturday. In fact, only mid-80s are likely on Saturday. Still got the heat advisory for those counties in orange. That goes away after today. Flash flood watch for parts of Missouri and some of the adjacent states. Severe weather outlook, the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A marginal risk for the southern half of the state. An enhanced risk for parts of the western high plains and a slight risk along a surface boundary north of Alabama. Tomorrow, a slight risk. That's the standard risk from near the Red River up to about Louisville and Cincinnati. And we note all of Alabama in a marginal risk. And like recent days, the storms tomorrow could produce gusty winds, maybe a wet microburst in spots, a lot of lightning. Hard to warn for that, but they'll be pretty strong. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, the marginal risk is basically for the southern half of the state as that surface boundary keeps on pushing to the south. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning. Average rain amounts about 1 inch. And the bulk of that will be tomorrow and Saturday. After that, we get into very dry air Sunday. Speaking of dry air, the tropics quiet as a mouse because of all that dry air in place across the deep tropics. No issues there anytime soon. All right, model fans, here we go. The 12Z GFS. This is tomorrow at noon or 1 o'clock local time. You can see the changes beginning. The ridge pumping up in the west, the trough beginning to dig in the east. And again, we'll expect to see an increase in the coverage and showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. The NAM is printing 88. The GFS wants to push us back up in the mid-90s, but we think the NAM is the much preferred solution. And we'll stick with that. We'll go with the upper 80s tomorrow. Saturday as the weekend begins. That is anomalous for June. Big ridge in the west, big trough in the east, high amplitude. And that'll cool us down nicely and bring a good bit of rain on Saturday. And like we've talked about, if you got something outdoors, there'll be breaks in the rain. The sun should peek out occasionally, but looks like a relatively wet day for summer. The high will be in the low to mid-80s. The deep surface low is east of Cleveland. There could be a strong storm or two. But look at Sunday. We are in dry air. What a beautiful day. Sunny, less humid. We start the day in the low 60s. And even Sunday morning, I'm starting to think we might see some upper 50s over North Alabama. Same thing Monday. A nice, refreshing morning. The high Monday in the upper 80s. Sunny. Humidity values low for late June. And then Tuesday, moisture comes back. We'll bring back the chance of a few scattered showers and storms. Pretty much the same deal on Wednesday. High should be in the upper 80s. And a week from today, July 2nd, Thursday of next week, still got broad troughing over the east, and it looks pretty typical. Chance of scattered showers and storms, mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs mid to upper 80s. This is the end of the forecast, Sunday, July 5th, wrapping up a holiday weekend. Look at the trough axis west of the state. And again, that would certainly suggest maybe a few showers and storms about if you're planning for that holiday weekend. No wash, but it looks like we'll have at least the chance of scattered showers and storms each day, that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, July 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Ensemble numbers, we're not going to do 100 today. That's, again, you can see the error here. Birmingham's at 93, so you need to shave some numbers off those highs, but the lows are going to be pretty close, I think. Again, notice it's got 59 here for Monday morning. Little touch of fall. Anomalies July 3rd through July 9th. Around here, temperatures probably about where they should be, below average just north and west of here. That is it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.